Imagine the camera opening on a close-up of steaming coffee, the liquid swirling slowly as if hiding a secret. The narrator begins. Every sip of coffee you take unleashes a chemical story inside your body, one that most of us never think about. Why does the same cup of coffee make one person hyperactive, another calm, someone else wide awake, and a few even anxious or shaky? The answer isn't in the coffee beans. It's in your biology. This hook immediately pulls viewers into the mystery by connecting a familiar daily habit with surprising science. Now the video smoothly shifts into the introduction. The narrator continues. Today, we're going to explore the hidden chemistry behind caffeine. What happens the moment it enters your bloodstream, how your liver becomes the main battleground, and why the reaction is so different from person to person. By the end of this video, you'll understand how one tiny molecule can influence your mood, focus, energy, and even your sleep. This sets the stage while promising an engaging scientific explanation without overwhelming the viewer. The main body begins by following the journey of caffeine inside the body. As soon as you sip coffee, caffeine is absorbed through your stomach and small intestine, entering the bloodstream within minutes. From there, it travels directly to the liver, the body's chemical factory. Here, a powerful enzyme called CYP1A2 gets to work. Its job is to break caffeine down into smaller compounds your body can process. But here's where the story gets fascinating. Not everyone's CYP1A2 behaves the same way. The video then shifts to explain these differences. Some people have a genetic variation that makes their CYP1A2 work very quickly. These fast metabolizers break caffeine down before it can have a strong effect, which is why they can drink coffee late at night and still fall asleep easily. Others have a slow-working version of the enzyme, meaning caffeine stays in their system much longer. These are the people who might feel jittery after just one cup or experience a racing heartbeat. The narrator continues, expanding. Your genes decide whether you're a fast or slow metabolizer, but lifestyle factors also play a role. Smoking can speed up CYP1A2 activity, while certain medications or foods can slow it down. That's why your reaction to caffeine can change over time. Meanwhile, as the liver works, caffeine travels to your brain where it blocks adenosine, your body's natural sleep chemical. Adenosine normally builds up during the day to make you feel tired, but caffeine sits in its place like a decoy, keeping your brain alert even when it wants to rest. This section gives the viewer both molecular and relatable explanations, making the science easy and enjoyable to understand. Finally, the video begins to close with a strong takeaway. So the next time you sip your coffee, remember you're not just drinking a warm, comforting beverage. You're triggering a complex chemical interaction that depends entirely on who you are. Your genes, your lifestyle, even your daily habits determine whether caffeine revs you up, calms you down, or keeps you awake long after midnight. Understanding your own response might help you enjoy coffee in a way that works best for your body. The narrator ends with a gentle call to action. If you loved diving into the science behind everyday things, hit like, subscribe, and share how caffeine affects you.